Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you the story of Tenali Rama and the weight of the elephant. The morning sun glistened over the golden dome of the Vijayanagara Empire. Inside the grand royal courtyard, King Krishnadeva Raya sat on his ornate throne, enjoying a fresh breeze as he sipped on sweet mango juice. Around him, ministers and nobles gathered, listening to the royal astrologers report on the day's auspicious events. Suddenly, a royal messenger entered, bowing deeply before the king. Your Majesty, a merchant from Persia has arrived with a special gift for you, a magnificent white elephant, rare and valuable. The court buzzed with excitement. White elephants were considered symbols of wisdom, power, and fortune. Bring it in, the king commanded. Moments later, the Persian merchant entered with his guards, followed by a towering white elephant adorned in gold-threaded cloth and gem-studded ornaments. The majestic beast lifted its trunk gracefully and trumpeted. The king's eyes lit up. What a splendid creature! The merchant bowed. Maharaja, this noble elephant is a gift from the king of Persia. But to transport such a majestic animal, we have incurred great expense. I humbly request a fair payment equal to the weight of the elephant in gold. The king nodded. Fair enough. But then a silence fell over the court. The commander of the palace guards stepped forward and said, Your Majesty, we do not possess a scale large enough to weigh an elephant. Whispers rose. Ministers exchanged puzzled glances. How could one measure something so large? I can fetch the royal blacksmith to build a scale, one suggested. That would take weeks, said another. The merchant frowned. Your Majesty, I cannot delay long. I need to return soon. King Krishnadeva Raya looked concerned. Just then, a calm and confident voice echoed across the hall. Your Majesty, may I suggest a way to weigh the elephant without a scale? All heads turned. It was Tenali Rama, the court poet and jester, famous for his sharp wit. The king smiled. Tenali, if anyone can solve this riddle, it's you. Please proceed. Tenali Rama walked over to the merchant. Sir, please allow us to take the elephant to the royal lake. The merchant, though puzzled, nodded. Soon the whole court gathered near the lake. Birds chirped in the trees and the sun danced on the water's surface. The white elephant stood near the water, swaying its trunk. Now, Tenali instructed the Mahout, please lead the elephant into the boat. A large royal barrage was pulled to the shore. With some effort and splashes, the elephant stepped onto the boat. The boat sank lower into the water, bobbling and balancing as the heavy animal settled. Tenali turned to the palace scribes. Mark the water level on the side of the boat with this chalk, he said, pointing to where the boat now rested in the lake. The scribes quietly made a thick white line at the water level. Now, bring the elephant back to shore, said Rama. The court watched as the elephant was gently led off the boat, returning to dry land. Tenali turned to the treasury guards. Now begin loading standard iron weights onto the boat until the water reaches the same mark as before. Weight after weight was added. The boat slowly sank. A scribe watched the waterline carefully. Stop! Shouted the scribe. The boat has reached the same level. Tenali Rama turned to the king. Your Majesty, the total weight of the iron blocks is equal to the weight of the elephant. The entire court broke into an applause. King Krishnadeva Raya clapped his hands joyfully. Brilliant, Tenali! You have weighed the elephant without even using a scale. The chief treasurer tallied the weight and converted it into gold coins. The merchant was satisfied, smiling broadly as he collected his payment. I must say, he told Tenali, your wisdom is as rare as this elephant. Tenali Rama bowed humbly. Later that evening, in the quiet of the palace garden, King Krishnadeva Raya walked with Tenali Rama. You never fail to amaze me, the king said. But tell me, how did you come up with this idea? Tenali smiled. Jahapanna, water is the most honest judge. It accepts any weight and will always give you the right hand answer, no matter how big or small. The king laughed. Indeed, and so do you. So, the moral of the story is that wisdom lies in using simple logic to solve complex problems. Even the largest challenges can be tackled with creative thinking. True intelligence is not just about knowledge, but knowing how to use it. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such fascinating stories. Bye bye, and see you all very soon in my next video.